Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing 2 sidewalks and a front porch. It's going to be color concrete. Stick around for the tear out, the excavation, my favorite part, the pour. Thanks for leaving us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you then, guys. Hey guys, there it is. Came out well. We're prepped. So instead of the step being in the front, over this way, it'll be to the side here. Those bricks are gone. Sidewalk is prepped here. We're gonna be coming in through the side over there with some mats. We're filling up a wheelbarrow here, and then we are good to go. We used our leftover dirt to build up on the side here, but there it is. Nice little curve around. Should look nice. We have great weather for color concrete tomorrow, the day after, even Saturday. So I think winter's finally behind us. See you at the pour, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning, 4 slump. Everything came out really, really nice. Power buggy reached that one real easily. And then here we wheelbarrowed part of it, but the sidewalk came out really, really nice. Check it out. Very, very happy with it. I hope the customer will be too. We didn't have a step there. We almost wanted one, but since the slope wasn't too bad, we decided to slope it up, come in through here, and then have a little trash can pad there. But thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe, stick around for next week's video. We are doing a patio extension with a little pad, nothing too complicated, but we're glad to be working. See you guys then. Bye-bye.